Alright, man, I'm trying to show y'all this console and everything and the 74 we getting along now. These are the preamps. This is like where your old radio went to. Want to take that out and do something really nice, so we went with the Cherry Vega style preamps, which got a little, if you can see, we're trying to go from the side. You can see like the little red accents, and at night it lights up red. Really nice to complement it. Of course, you know, we got the nice volt meter right here, so you can tell what the voltage is. In these old cars, they didn't have that. Nice little complement upgrade. Got a little knob right there. That's gonna be for the like horn style tweeters we're gonna put in it. They can get a little loud at times, so you know, you want to be able to adjust those as well. So yeah, man, it's coming along, man. It's the console side of the 74, and we got the tablet space right there with the navigation, Kenwood, which pops out. Represent that really well. And you can also remove this tablet right here. The tablet can be removed so that you can put your cup holders. There's cup holders up under that. I really just want to touch it right now because all this stuff is fresh. But yeah, man, it's coming right along, and just want to give you a little quick update. Yeah, man, that 74 Chevrolet Caprice Classic coming along, man, doing the audio, and there she go. Nice little console. Yeah, update.